The best engineers in the world were here long before humans. Architects have spent decades trying to cool buildings in hot climates, spending millions of dollars on air conditioning. Meanwhile, termites, insects with the brains the size of a pinhead, have been building massive towers for thousands of years and keeping it cool. Even when the temperatures are soaring outside, it remains cool enough for the termites on the inside. They do this using a complex series of channels with pressure difference and airflow. No electricity, no metals, no blueprints. In fact, the East Gate Center in Zimbabwe was built using the same principles, and that building uses 90% less energy than other buildings. That's the gap between our best solutions and an insect colony. We create ceramics, glass, and it's always fragile. But take the nacre mother of pearl. Nacre is composed of 95% of a brittle calcium carbonate and 5% organic material. Now, calcium carbonate on its own is fragile, like chalk, but nacre is 3,000 times stronger than the raw material. Scientists are now using this to make body armor, spacecrafts, and lightweight vehicles. The way that an ant colony finds the shortest path to food is now being studied in algorithms that manage traffic systems and telecommunication systems without electricity, without words, without even knowing that it's solving a problem that humans think is complex. This is why the greatest minds in history studied nature. Tesla, Eiffel, Da Vinci, because the solutions already exist. We just need to respect nature enough to learn from it and understand that true progress can never come from destroying nature.